Okay, ready na? Okay, ready? Okay, mommies and daddies, welcome na si Jollibee. Paliwan ka sa mga kids to avoid accident kaya na-arbay blind spot si Jollibee. Okay. Jollibee, ready na Jollibee ha? Jollibee! Okay, very close again. Mommy and Daddy, together with the celebrant, to come here in front. Kung ma-request po niyo sa everyone, mamamalong sa tanan. Kay ganahan si Jollibee, mukat pa ng tanan of Jolly Birthday in slow. Para ka, Mia. Okay, barong sa tanan. Okay, ganahan si Jollibee, makanta ka Jolly Birthday in slow. Para ka, Mia. Okay, all together, let's sing!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Okay, Mommy and Daddy, before mo blow si Liam sa iyong kanto, unsa may message or wishes niyo para kang Liam? Okay, si Mommy una. Message or wishes para kang Liam?
Happy birthday, Kuya. We hope that you continue to grow up as you are and as an intelligent Kuya.
Okay. Hello Kuya, happy birthday. First of all, thank you sa tanan mo natin. Of Liam 6th birthday. Liam, I wish for you that you're going to grow respectful and ever more intelligent as you are now. So Liam, mentag, hindi pa ka mabuya-buya soon.
Okay! How about Lolo and Lola? Lolo and Lola said, wishes or message niyo para kay Liam? Lolo daw. Dapat ka mo na lang duha. Duha na lang sa limit.
Manamang ko ganiya. Duha.
Ang wish ni mo, Kuya Liam, na mapunutan ka. Wala. So, manala Kuya ha, pinutan ko yan. Skill ang maayo ha, kung mo professional. Okay, Kuya Liam, tali mo kay Kuya Liam. Ha? Kung pinutan Kuya Liam ha. Okay.
Okay, awat Lola na po.
Ang wish ni Liam, stay butukan, smart, o tulad ka din ni Mama ha, pagkakampa, magbinukutan. Be a good example to your baby brother. Okay?
Okay, thank you. Atong pampakan. Okay, Leon, you're gonna blow your candle in. 3, 2, 1, light! Yeah! Jolly birthday in fast! Jolly birthday to you! Jolly birthday to you! Picture kay Jollibee but ang celebrate and sat together with family.
Picture.
Ha? Dili din siya paborit sa Jollibee day. McDonald's din niya.
Okay, next, ikaw ang nalang magpapicture ng Jollibee. Okay, hindi na namin ito po si Jollibee.
Wala ni jacket lagi. Ay, pepo sorry. Sorry. Awal ba?